Hello everyone, this is teacher Azia from The Wave Private School. This video is for grade 2, chapter number 6, Position and Movement. Today we are going to learn the topic Direction and Movement. After this lesson, you will be able to follow and give instructions involving position, direction and movement. First of all, we are going to revise the direction words forward and backward that you learned in grade 1. What mean by the word forward? Yes, forward means to move ahead, towards the front. For example, look at the picture. Rita is standing by facing the tree. If she wants to get to the tree, she needs to walk 1 and 2 steps towards the front. That is, we can say that Rita walks 2 steps forward to get to the tree. Backward. Backward means to move in a reverse direction. For example, say this. Ari is standing here and he is not facing the tree. If Ari wants to get to the tree, yes, he needs to walk 1, 2, 3 and 4 squares or 4 steps in a reverse direction. That is, we can say that Ari moves 4 steps backward to get to the tree. Hope you understood the two direction words forward and backward. Next, we are going to describe the movement of an object by using the direction words forward, backward, clockwise and anti-clockwise, also the quarter, half and full turns. See this. Ari is facing a tree. He needs to collect the 2 red tokens before going to the purple square. Look at the picture here. Here you can see Ari, also the 2 red tokens and a tree, also a water fountain. And in this case, Ari needs to go to the purple square, but before that he needs to collect the 2 red tokens. We are going to write the directions that Ari can take. There are different paths. I will show you one possible path that Ari can take. You can use your finger to trace this path. Here, before going to the purple square, he needs to collect the 2 red tokens. So remember that. Let us start. Here is the first red token. So to collect the first red token, Ari can move 1, 2, 3 and 4 squares forward. So we can write that step as move 4 squares forward to get the first red token. So he collected the first red token and he reached here. Next he needs to collect the another red token. After that he needs to go to the purple square. Now from this position there are different paths to go to the next red token. Either he can go through this path or he can go through this path, that is the path containing the water fountain. Also he can go through this path. There are different paths, but here I am going to show the path through the water fountain. So next Ari needs to go to the water fountain. How he will go to the water fountain? He is not facing the water fountain. So first he needs to take a turn. And what about the turn? Yes, he can make a quarter turn. And in which direction? Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? Look the direction. I showed it with an arrow. So this is the clockwise direction. So next make a quarter turn clockwise and after that move 1 and 2 squares forward to go to the fountain. So write that step. Now Ari reached the fountain and he is facing this direction, not the red token. So next he wants to go to the red token. Before that he needs to take a turn. That means he needs to make a quarter turn. In which direction? Yes, anti-clockwise direction. At the fountain, make a quarter turn anti-clockwise. Now he is facing the red token. Next he can move 1, 2 squares forward. So we can write the step. Move 2 squares forward to get the second red token. Now he collect both the red tokens. Next he can go to the purple square. Yes, from this position there is two possibilities. Either he can go backward or he can make a turn here, that is a half turn, and he can go forward. Here I am going to make a half turn. So after this make a half turn and then move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 squares forward to go to the purple square. Now here is the purple square. So from the beginning I said that there are different possible ways or different possible paths that Ari can take. This is one path. Can you write directions for another possible path that Ari can take? Please try it. Hope you understood the lesson. You have some exercise in your workbook. Please try it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.